bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs. Like I said, I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face.
Hi sweeties, welcome back to our channel. I'm currently in Tulum. I'm here for my 8th wedding anniversary, and I'm gonna be here for about 5 days. I guess I'll just be taking you guys around, and you guys can spend some time with me as I relax, minus the kids, and just, you know, enjoy some adult fun. So currently we are just relaxing, I guess. We got in like maybe 2 hours ago. I just took a shower, and I guess we're gonna go eat and then just go to the pool and just relax for the rest of the day. So yeah, come along. Let's spend some time together on this little getaway. Yeah, I'm just gonna, I guess, take you guys along and try to vlog as much as I can. I definitely needed this vacation because I've been going to sleep at like 2 a.m. every night, so I'm just here to relax. I'm not gonna do the absolute most here, but yeah. Okay, so when you first walk in, the bathroom is right here. It is so cute. I just love this whole like cement vibe. There's the little bathroom, and then you can like see the rest of the room from over here. Isn't this the cutest place ever? There's a little bed. Well, it's not so little, but you get the point. And the closet is behind here. Such a vibe. And then you can walk out and you have your own little private pool, a hammock, some little lounge chairs. Like such a vibe. And then your ocean view. Like how beautiful is that? And then if you walk up these steps, you get your own little deck up here. I bet the sunset here would be so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at the views. Look at the views, sweeties. I can sit here all day. So here's outfit number 1. I'm just going to the beach club. So I'm wearing a H&M dress, my Saint Laurent tote, my Chanel dad sandals, and an H&M bathing suit underneath. It's gold, it's shimmery, it's super cute, and I'm just gonna go have lunch and I guess take a swim. I'll see you guys later. Good morning. It is day 2 in Tulum, and I am just about to step out to go eat, and I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Today I'm wearing a skirt by, shoot, I forgot the name of the company, Zion the label, and my tank top is from H&M, and I feel like this is such a cute vacation vibe. And I just have this like silk little scarf on the back of my head. Yep, that's my outfit. And I think I'm gonna wear these. I feel like I destroyed them yesterday, but I'm gonna wear them again. I'm gonna wear these, and then I'll probably wear my bag, or there's a bag that like came in the room that has, it's like a basket bag. This is it. How cute, right? It's just like a bag that was in the room that you can like use to carry your stuff, like your towels and stuff, to the pool. Sorry, my husband and his friend are like so loud on FaceTime. So yeah, quick catch up. I'm just hanging out at the beach by myself, staying hydrated. My husband is taking a nap. It's really weird. He like, every vacation, like he takes afternoon naps because when we're at home, he usually like goes to sleep with the kids in the afternoon. Yeah, so he's sleeping. It's like 12:30. And I just came to get some coffee and have some water. Last night I didn't vlog much because we went to Casamalca for dinner, and it's pretty dark in there, and I'm not using my camera, I'm just using my phone to film because I just don't feel like bringing out my big camera in front of people. I'm just using my phone to film, and like obviously the phone doesn't really like capture good footage at nighttime, so I just kind of just let it go. But yeah, it was so cute in there. We're gonna go back there for like lunch or breakfast one of these days, so I will be sure to film it. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy some time to myself, catch up on emails, and just relax. What's that?
Cheese.
Yeah, it's Parmesan cheese. It's day 3 and I just woke up. Last night we had dinner. I don't even know. I feel like I have been doing such a bad job at vlogging at nighttime because I feel like it's so dark and it just doesn't even look cute. So I just live my life and call it a night, you know? I had ice cream, really good ice cream. It was like Ferrero Rocher ice cream, so good. I've never had it before. But yeah, just woke up. It's like 7:30 and we're trying to go to my husband is trying to go to the Cenotes, and he rented one of those like ATV golf car things, and it's just like he rented last night while we were at dinner. I was just sitting there and he's like, hold on, I'll be right back. And then he came back with this freaking wild ass little car, and he's like, we're gonna have this for the next 24 hours. We're just gonna drive around in it and we're gonna go explore tomorrow. I was like, oh Lord. So yeah, he has this thing parked outside, so we're gonna go and drive around in it for the whole day. So we decided to wake up early and get our day started early. He just went for a jog. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm just putting on some light beat and we're gonna go. But before we go to the cenotes, we're gonna go to breakfast. We went to Casa Malca last night for dinner. I mean, the other night for dinner. But we want to see it in the daytime, so we're gonna go back there because it's supposed to be really cute. So we're gonna go have breakfast there first, and then we're gonna go to the whole cenote stuff. So yeah, that's that. Hello, I have changed and got into my dress for the day. This dress is from Anthropologie. I just received it the other day, but yep, this is my cute outfit to breakfast. So I just wanted to show you guys how we walk to the front desk or to the front of the property. We literally walk through a jungle. Watch. Every morning through this jungle. And then they have all these little art installations while you're walking through the jungle. So cool. Look at this horse. And the eyes light up at night. And then that's the front desk. How cool is that? So they actually give you a daily immunity boosting shot here, which is really awesome because it helps protect your immune system. And I just got myself a horchata, an iced horchata, and I'm here to work, honey, today. I'm literally like on a mission, just sitting by the beach, working because my husband went for a run and I figured I could just get some work done quietly while I sit here. Cheers. Good morning, guys. I've been a little MIA on the vlog. Yesterday I was just working all day and laying low, and then we went out last night and I just did not vlog, but I'm back today. It's my last day here. We're gonna go see some cenotes and I am just getting ready for that. It's like 8:30 a.m. I'm just wearing my bathing suit, and then I put that little Shein skirt on top just to, you know, not look like I'm naked all day. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna vlog today, so let's go.
have no idea what I just got myself into. And I'm certainly not jumping off of any cliffs, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go inside. I'm really worried. He just like basically talked me into coming in, putting on a life jacket, but I'm so scared. I don't want to do it, but he's literally in a whole damn cave over there. Are you alive? Just don't hit your head on the ceiling, okay? Don't, watch your head. Watch your head. Yes. Because you're freaking, like, you're so close to the top, the rocks, the ceiling. Okay. So we just got to another cenote, and I bought some food from some lady on the side of the road. Tastes pretty good.
Kanti, vamos a ver cómo están. Vamos, papi.
Guys, good morning. I just had my breakfast, I packed, and now I'm getting ready to go home. I'm just walking to the front desk through this little jungle, and I am getting ready to check out, and then we're headed home. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed experiencing Tulum with me. And yeah, that's that. Bye guys.